It's Navita's birthday coming up, and she's away. Somebody just gave me the shell of a Nautilus. This is not a light I will use, but I'm going to run like a relay of LEDs or something throughout the inside. So I've got a small switch. Maybe use the Dremel to take off some of this surface rubbish. Cut a hole in the back, mount a switch, run some cables through it, and turn it into like a nice bedside lamp or something. I learned a few things from last time and have since gone out and purchased proper pair of protective goggles. And because last time I kept breathing in a lot of shell dust, which lasted for a couple of days, it was disgusting. I've gone and bought a proper breathing mask. A rough switch marks cut out there. So we've got quite a decent hole there. And I'm going to drill straight through here until I get through those safety glasses. That's gross. These compartments were sealed when the Nautilus was living underwater. And hey presto, we have mother of pearl lining from inside the Nautilus. You can see straight through to the inside now. Cables are going to come in through the small hole, and then I'm going to run them underneath the surface towards the switch. The shell's been cleaned. As you can remember from the start, this was covered in pretty nasty stuff. There was a lot of black in here, and that's all been cleaned up. A switch and a space for a cable. I'm gonna varnish this. That's the LED panel. To clean up cables, to remove the plastic, you can always do that. It comes off really nice. You don't have to worry about cutting too much of the cable away. Perfect. Finally mount this switch, which should pop in. Yeah, very happy with that. You can see that lovely glow through the shell with all the different textures and patterns. Which really is quite special. Quite a fun project. If I was doing this again, things I would change. I would definitely get a breathing mask sooner. Breathing in shell is not fun. And I'd probably go and get a different varnish, but that PVA seems to work quite well. I may do a couple more coats. We'll see. It's great.